If you no longer wish to use Indeed, here's how you're going to delete your account. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first things first, you're going to head over to Indeed account, and then from your dashboard, you're going to make sure that you are signed in or you have signed up to an account. From here, you're going to head over to the top right corner of the screen until you see this icon right here that looks like a person. You're going to click on that until this drop down menu appears. From here, you're just going to click on settings, and then from the settings page, you're going to make sure that you're on the account settings tab. This includes your contact information and every single thing about yourself. Now from here, if you scroll down, you would usually see the close my account button right here at the bottom. But if you cannot see it, you may have an employer account. So if you are seeing the close my account button, all you have to do is to click on that and then you're going to confirm your deletion. But if you cannot, you may be on an employer account, and here's what you're going to do. So first thing, you may have the employer account. You're just going to make sure that you contact them so that they can close this account for you. So what you're going to do is you can either just click on contact us right here, or you are going to head back to your account, and then from here we're going to click on the profile icon once again, and then from the drop down menu you're going to click on help. Now this will open a new page for you. You have this help for job seekers and then help for employers. Since you may have the employer account, you're just going to head over to help for employers, and then you're going to click on employer help center. Now, from here, you're just going to fill out all of the fields right here. So these are all information about yourself and literally how they can contact you or how they can know you. And also at the end, you're going to enter the description or the nature of your problem right here. And then once you're done filling all the details out, you're just going to make sure that you click on this reCAPTCHA, and then you're going to hit on submit. Now, by providing your phone number, you agree that Indeed may call you about your request. So take note on that when you enter your phone number right here, because they're going to need it. And then also take note that they respond to most messages within 24 hours. And if you do not see a response, you're just going to have to check your junk mail folder or spam folder. And that's it. That is how you're going to delete your Indeed account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.